Alright, boys, 4:40 p.m. I've been laying about 70 degrees. I got long sleeves on. I'm not going to get cold. I'm going to stay out here pretty late. Been busy today. Even got a long distance call on a JS2 metal detector. Technical question for beach hunting. Just imagine that. Some people actually believe what I say and take it into consideration. We'll see what we can do here. We're squirrel hunting today. We may do a little bow hunting tomorrow. That fox squirrel going up that tree right there. See him right there? Right in there. I might have seen him the other day. There he is. See him right there? He's on around, boys. You look, you might see him right there. At the base of that tree right there. See him right in there laying right there, center of the camera. I think we got another one here to my left. Don't know yet though. You may see that squirrel down yonder hopping around. He's way on out there. See him right there. There's 2 or 3 more down here in this whole creek down here. Let me back this camera out. I've done seen them. That's what I heard. I heard that old squirrel running right down in there. I seen 2 or 3 tails sticking up. Them young squirrels, I done hear them bark a few days ago, right before dark. The little fox squirrel got that eye put out. Come out over there. I seen one of these young squirrels down there. He ain't no bigger than a fart. They trying to set up in a red oak down here, I believe. They set up down there in that red oak. Right in there, see him right in there? There's a red oak tree down there. Now they 7 or 8 young squirrels in here and they sort of scattered. But now it's got dead quiet out here, boy. You hear a pin drop. It was windy. This old front's got through here now. She's really settled down. Be cool tonight. Look here, boy. What is that? Look at that. An otter? See that thing right there? Look at that. I ain't never seen one of them in the woods here. Look at that. See that thing? I don't know what that thing is. Well, it might have been a weasel. I've never seen one of them out in the daylight squirrel hunting in 50 years, boys, whatever that thing was. That may be what's got these squirrels shook up. He come off that hill there, boy, just a barreling. I thought it was a groundhog. All right, boys, I'm calling it quits. Dead quiet out here. These woods are still and it's dry. It's not going to be a very good afternoon squirrel hunt until it rains. One fox squirrel shot through the eyeball. Only thing I shot at, I've seen about 9 other squirrels, 10 maybe, but now they all over the woods. Eat one tree, take off, get out of sight.